If you are going over a particular subject with the family and feel that a field trip would be beneficial, then that's what you should do, go for a trip. If you are attached to a support group, you can plan to include other children too. Here are some guidelines that will help you plan. Determine the costs of travel and admittance. Double-check the allowed ages. Take note of special highlights. The size of the group could be a determining factor for certain locations. Make sure to have enough time for travel and to see or participate in the desired activities, as well as planning the trip for the right time of year. If needed, will there be proper eating facilities available? Inform your support group of all these details well in advance, so that the necessary information may be sent out. On the appointed day, arrange to meet with other parents and children in a particular place. Plan the mode of travel and reach the place at least 10 minutes in advance. The field trip is not just fun. So, let your kids bring their writing materials. Allow them time to stare and admire. Do not hurry them along. Collect data beforehand so that you can clear doubts. Get help from a guide, if necessary. And most importantly, have fun and enjoy the time you spend with your children. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.